Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to earn money using Power BI. For that you need to create a profile on Upwork. Here you can see my profile. We have here availability badge and boost your profile, which I will tell about at the end. So we go to search bar and type Power BI. Here is the list of open tasks on Upwork. You can go for fixed price tasks or per hour tasks. I prefer fixed price tasks. This is the task I have already applied to. I will scroll further and look for a simple task for this tutorial.
A few moments later.
Here I found one where Power BI dashboard is required from simple Excel file. I will prefer payment after I have completed the project. And will select the duration to be less than 1 month. Now I will write the cover letter and telling about my experience. I will also attach a report I made on Power BI as sample. Here are some sample cover letter from Upwork community where I will drop the link in description. Now we submit our proposal. If you're looking to get more visibility, you can use Connects to boost your profile, grabbing the attention of clients looking to hire. First, you give your target audience and specialty, which in our case is data analytics. Choose the maximum amount that you'd like to spend for a profile. Click the higher bid you choose, the more likely you are to be boosted. You can choose to automatically end the boost at a specific date. Then click on Boost Now. Profile boost is on. Connects are required whenever you submit a proposal, and number of connects for each task varies. You get 10 connects each month, however you can buy more connects whenever you want. The price for connects as can be seen is $1.50 for 10 connects. Click on Buy Connects. Payment can be done via two options. 1. Payment by card. 2. PayPal. Enter your PayPal account details and proceed to pay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos.